Hi dear students, I Abhinav Negi. Welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. And guys, everyone in this, let me put my mobile in the mute mode. Okay. And today guys, we'll be doing the complete HPCL mock test preparation. Okay, the complete HPCL mock test will be done. Okay, before that guys, let me tell you that two major updates. One, as you have seen that, okay, wait, bus, I will listen. Guys, one is that on this Sunday at 10 a.m., this Sunday at 10 a.m., guys, I will be taking the complete highway engineering marathon that will be on YouTube. Okay, that will be on YouTube. And guys, from today on app, okay, from today, guys, on app, there will be the OCF series. Okay, 3:30 p.m. starting from today. Today is just an introductory lesson. OCF on app. Free, guys. The complete. Exactly like paid course. Exactly like paid course. Okay. So, guys, how is the Josh commanders? Everyone, please let me know. And one more update, guys. The TS Genco exam. Okay. The TS Genco exam has been postponed. Okay. This news I'm getting. Okay, if I'm taking the red color also, then also it is looking, writing this. Okay, the TS Genco exam has been postponed, which was to occur on 17th of December. Okay, so this is about me. If you don't know me, you can see here, guys, but that will not be coming in the HPCL exam. This will be the Sunday marathon. This will be on YouTube. And this is the complete detail of the OCF series. Okay, today is just the introductory lesson. Okay, from tomorrow we'll be going to start the lessons and this will be exactly like paid course. Exactly like paid course, this will be on app. Okay. Now, my guys, there is a scholarship test. This will be on 17th of December. If you are planning to take the BYJU'S courses, guys, then you can give this test free of cost. Okay. These tests are free of cost and you can give them and get up to 90% discounts. Okay. So guys, there is a link when you see this class or any class of mine on YouTube. On the description box, there is a link from where you can download the app. Moving forward, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. More than 5,500 students have already joined us. You can also join if you want. All these details, OCF series, marathons, all my details, your doubts, everything I'll be taking here in putting the links in my Telegram group. Let's begin with the HPCL test. Okay, ready guys, everyone. Tell me. Tell me. चलो बता दो कहाँ गए बच्चे और मैं किसी चीज में अच्छा टेलीग्राम लिंक भी शेयर कर दूं क्या एक बार अपना जहां आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा सब लिंक्स अपडेट योर डाउट्स एवरीथिंग लेट मी शेयर माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप and after that we'll be going in this mock test. Yes, this is the Telegram group. Guys, please share the session so that all can get benefited. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me, guys. Come on. Okay. Hit the questions hard. Just give me 1 minute and then I'm all yours. Yes. Okay. When a member, क्या question है? When a member is subjected to axial tensile load, okay, axial tensile load like this. Let this stress be sigma. Okay. Then in that case, the greatest normal stress is equal to, okay, the greatest normal stress is equal to, this is, if I'm drawing the Mohr circle for this is tau, the shear stress I'm representing on the y-axis, and this is the sigma. Okay, so here guys, when one principal is sigma, other is 0. When one is sigma, other is 0, it will be like this. In one direction there is an axial tension, but in other direction then nothing is mentioned, so it will be 0. It will be 0. Now what they are asking, the greatest normal stress. This is the greatest normal stress, tau. And if you see, this is the tau max. Twee, 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 twee. This radius is tau max. Okay. So this greatest normal stress, sigma is equal to, the greatest normal stress, the sigma is equal to diameter. The value is equal to diameter is equal to 2 into radius. And radius is equal to 2 into tau max. That is option number, twice the maximum shear stress. That is option number C. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Guys will be moving faster. And of course, guys, the actual level of HPCL will be quite easier than the gate. So, of course, we'll be taking that type of questions only, which are similar to the HPCL level. Okay. Now, moving to question number 2. We have many subjects to do. Come on, come on, come on, everybody. Come on, everyone, guys. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit the questions hard. Hit the questions hard. Hit the questions hard. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. In a composite system, subject to temperature rise with ends constrained to remain together. Guys, what is the difference between the fixed and the composite? Okay, if I'm saying these are the composite section, what is the difference between the composite and fixed? Can anyone tell me on the comment section? This is 1, this is 2. Let alpha 1 is greater than alpha 2. Okay, let alpha 1 is greater than alpha 2. Come back to my original question. Atulya, yes. What is the difference between composite and fixed? Guys, composite means the delta can be there, but delta will be same. And if an assembly is fixed, then it says delta will be 0. That is the difference. In composite, delta can be there, but delta will be same. In fixed, delta will be 0. Okay. Now, in composite, let me come back. Let alpha 1 is greater than alpha 2. What happens? Of course, it will, if it is free, it will elongate both sides. If it is free, it is elongate both sides. Let me, for easy explanation, I am saying it is only elongating here. If it is free, then it will be like this. Of course, it will be elongating both sides. I'm just showing one side. One will be more. That is the free expansion. That is free. If it is no composite, nothing. On temperature rise case, this is temperature rise or fall case, because answer will be different. Okay, this is temperature rise case. Okay, it will expand. Okay, one will expand more. Now, guys, as it is composite, so both has to elongate only up to same point. Delta has to be same. Okay, so it wants to elongate here, but it can elongate lesser. So compression. Okay, it wants to elongate up to here if it is free, but it has to now elongate more. So this will be tension. So lesser alpha, lower value of coefficient will be having a tensile stress. Lower value of coefficient will be having a tensile stress. Come on, everybody. Okay. Guys, HPCL exam has not been postponed. TS Genco has been postponed. So concentrate here. Now, question number 3. Guys, actually, now you are a civil engineer, so you only see coefficient of friction. But once you go back in class 11th, again, guys, there are various coefficient of friction: static, limiting, and kinematic. Okay, or dynamic. Now, let me tell you guys, the static friction is like this. This is the static friction. Okay, this is the limiting friction. And when the body comes in moving, then it is again a kinematic friction. Okay, like this. Like this. Now, let me explain. Guys, there is some friction between my hand and this. I apply lesser force, F. Very less. So, friction will be mu mg. Less. It is not moving. So, friction will be less. Mu mg lesser. Let me apply little bit more force. Still it is not moving. It is in equilibrium. So now my greater force is equal to mu mg. Now my greater force is equal to mu mg. Still it is in rest. So now mg will not be changed. That means mu is changed. So that is static friction is increasing. And at the highest point, when it is about to move, it is limiting friction. And when it starts moving, then it is a kinematic friction, which is lesser. Why it is lesser, guys? Let me tell you the complete PSD of this here. Let me tell you the complete PSD. Why it is lesser than static when it's moving? Because, guys, friction occurs due to the interlocking of, when you see from microscope, when you see these two hands, suppose friction between these two hands. When you see from microscope, there my hand is not as smooth as Alia Bhatt cheeks. I have never applied moisturizer or anything. Even if I applied, still there will be some friction. So there is an interlocking. If you see from microscope, there will be interlocking, due to which friction is there. Okay. Now, my friends, my commandos, everyone, see, suppose this is a floor, this is a body, I apply a F1 force, very small F1 force, it is not moving. So F1 is equal to mu mg. Okay. Now same floor, everything same, I apply little bit more force, F2. F2 is greater than F1. Still it is not moving, suppose. So now this greater force is equal to mu mg. So that means mu is increasing, na? Now here F1 is equal to mu mg, here F2 is equal to mu mg. Now greater force is equal to mu mg, that means mu is increasing, yeah? So that is the static friction, it is increasing. And once it will be moving, guys, the interlocking will be highest. Interlocking will be highest in the rest position. Once it is moving, the interlocking has been little bit reduced. So that is reducing. And at the highest point, it is a limiting friction. Give me yes or no on the comment section. Come on, come on. Good morning, Saga. How are you? Tell me. Okay. Now, this is the mild steel. This is the mild steel. And once you, in this mild steel, once in this mild steel, you apply that, what is written? Tension. Then what is the name of the failure? This is, what is the name of failure? Cup cone failure. Cup cone failure at 45 degree. So that will be occurs that oblique plane, and that oblique plane is exactly 45 degree. I'm good. That oblique plane is exactly at 45 degree. Why it is 45 degree? Have you ever noticed why it is at 45 degree? Why it is at 45 degree? Because, guys, once you apply, this is a uniaxial, na? Uniaxial Mohr circle is like this. Okay, so uniaxial Mohr circle is like this. So this is the plane, this plane where only normal stress is acting. This is this plane. Ductile metals fails in shear. Ductile metal fails in shear. So it will fail in the maximum shear plane. Maximum shear plane is occurring at 90 degree from this plane. From this green plane is representing by this green point. This green plane is representing by this green point. Okay. So here it is the maximum shear stress. Oh, sorry, maximum normal stress. So maximum shear stress is at 90 degree. So in real life, it will be 45 degree. That is why it is fails at 45 degree, because ductile will be failing in shear. Okay. Now moving forward, in a tension test, the material is stressed beyond elastic limit. The tensile strain, this is a very nice question, can be solved by only those students who have studied the stress strain curve in very detail. What I told, guys, this is the proportional limit. Okay, and after this, the curve is not the straight line. After the proportional limit, the curve is not straight line. It is something like this. Okay, and now, guys, those who have studied the stress strain curve from me, when I zoom this, what I told in class, that this is the proportional limit. Straight line is like this, but it bends. Have you remember this I told in class? If you are the class student, it goes like this. Even in YouTube also, when I was teaching stress strain curve, I did this. So it is going to a right hand side because after P point, material is so much loaded that it has not the ability to resist against the stress that much as it was initial. So now strain is happening more. That is why it is going to right hand side. Right hand side means strain. Right hand side movement is strain. Now you don't have to apply that much stress. Even with a lesser stress, see, lesser stress is more strain. So more strain is happening now. Okay. Now, so that tensile strain increases more quickly. Have you understood? Because उसमें इतना stress आ गया ना, it has not that much resistance now. Have you understood, guys? Okay. Question number 6. The ratio of a simply supported uniform. First of all, now the bar was like this. And when bar was like this, suppose you apply the load P, then the extension is E. Extension is PL by A. So what is area? D, dimensions are B and D, na? Area is BD into E. Correct? If I show you this in 3D, it will be something looking like this. This is L, this is B, this is D. Correct? Correct. Now the same bar is put like this. Okay, and is simply supported. Same bar. Length L, this is B, this is D. So what is the deflection at the center? Maximum deflection is at the center. It is PL cube by 48 EI. PL cube by 48 EI. They are asking the delta by E. So PL cube by 48 EI divided by PL by BD into E. Now from here PL to PL cancelled. So from here L square by 48 E to E will be cancelled. I into BD. Correct? Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, everyone. Come on. So this will be delta by E ratio. Now I is L square 48. I is BD cube by 12. BD cube by 12 once you do. So this will be 4. BD cube, this will be 4. BD cube into BD. So this will be 1 by 4 L square and by D square. 1 by 4 B to B will be cancelled. L square by D square. Check. BD cube by 12. So 12 by 4. Please check. So it will be proportional to L by 2D whole square. That is option number C. Are you getting the same? So this can be written as L by 2D whole square. That is option number C. Yes, Shilpa. Yes. Understood? Okay. Question number 7. 2 bars of different materials, Young's modulus is different, are of same size, dimensions are same, subjected to same load are same. If bar have a unit elongation in the ratio of 4:7, the ratio of modulus of elasticity. So guys, delta is equal to PL by A. Everything is same. Okay, same size, L and A are same. Okay, and same tensile force. So delta is proportional to 1 by E, correct? Okay, so delta 1 by delta 2 is equal to E2 by E1 from that concept. Is E2 by E1. Delta 1 by delta 2 is 4 by 7. Okay, so Young's modular ratio E1 by E2 will be equal to 7 by 4. So that is the option. You understood, guys. And are you coming today? 3:30 p.m. The OCF app series is going to start. Okay. The OCF app series, the complete OCF I'll be teaching, guys, for free. The complete OCF I'll be teaching for free. Are you coming there? On OCF app series that is going to start from today at 3:30 p.m. And my champions, from this Sunday, The highway engineering complete marathon will be done on YouTube only. OCF will be on app and complete highway will be on YouTube only. Do this. Question number 9 now. 8 was out of the syllabus, so I deleted that. 8 was out of the syllabus, so I deleted that. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. So this will be WL by 2 if length is L. This will be WL by 2. And now here at XX, what is the bending moment from left hand side? So this WL by 2 into X, upward load so positive, then this WX can be assumed to its center of mass. Now you can say, sir, how you have only put this option? Why you have not checked? This comes from experience, na? This comes from experience. And also there are various other things. That for varying load, okay, if it is a varying load, loading is one diagram. So SFD will be 2, BMD will be 3 degree, because BMD is 2 degree, na? So if BMD is 2 degree, the shear force is 1 degree and loading will be a constant. So that only this cannot even that possible. This is now the HPCL questions that usually the students don't like to do because these are database questions. Okay, kitna aa raha hai? Question number 10. Guys, the alpha is this. This is the database question, guys. No here I cannot do any concept here. Okay, and it is close to concrete. That is why we are using the steel, so that in summers they will increase by both amount, in winters they will decrease by both amount, so that there is no slippage. The minimum quantity of cement that is needed in 1 meter cube of our reinforced concrete, which is not directly exposed to weather. Okay, for this condition, mild exposure condition, it is 300 kgs. Okay. Now this one. The design, guys, factored shear force is not asking, the design. Okay. And once columns are supported at the end, like this. Okay. And here is the beam. Okay, so here the shear force is like this. W, L effective by 2. L effective we use. Okay. And L effective is minimum of L plus W. Although answer will not be coming from this. Okay, I'll tell later on what is the answer. But this is the correct way. L plus W and L plus D. L plus W not given. So we'll not take this. Not given. W is not given, the width of the column. So L plus D is 5 plus 0.5. So it is 5.5. So W, L effective by 2. W is how much? 100 into 5.5 by 2. So 50 into 5.5. 275. But no answer is matching. Because this is the correct method, but they have assumed not L effective. They have assumed only WL by 2. This is the maximum shear force. The actual method should be like this. So 100 into 5 by 2. That is 250. Okay, although the correct answer should be 275. Have you understood? Have you understood, friends? Have you understood, friends? Everyone? Give me yes or no. Okay, what is the toughness index? IT. IT is IP by IF. And what it represents? It represents the shear strength at plastic limit. Okay, if IT is more, if toughness index is more, then shear strength at plastic limit will be more and vice versa. Yes, yes, Sagar. A picnometer method is used to determine. Come on, come on, come on. पिक्नोमीटर से क्या करते हैं? Trigonometer is used for determining the water content and the specific gravity. This is the Sunday marathon of highway. The complete, guys, the complete highway marathon. Sunday, 10 a.m. And this is the OCF schedule from tomorrow. Today I'll just tell you about the brief about the introductory lesson. And then we'll be starting the complete, guys. Exactly like paid course for free. This will be on app. Now do this. Do this. Come on. Hit these questions. Hit these questions. Hit these questions hard. Okay, the volume of voids is equal to volume of solid. Then the values of porosity. Porosity is volume of voids by total volume. So volume of voids plus volume of total volume is this. Everything is same, so it will be 1 by 2. So porosity is 0.5. E is volume of voids by volume of solid. Both are same, it is 1. So 0.5 and 1 is equation, and the same is expected in HPCL. HPCL कोई अलग से नहीं पूछेगा. What is the coefficient of consolidation? What is the coefficient of consolidation, guys? Unit of coefficient of consolidation. Guys, TV is equal to CV into T by D square. Now TV has no unit. So CV is equal to D square by T. So D is the distance, centimeter square by second. See, TV has no unit, it is a percentage. Okay. Chalo, jaldi bolo. Agree or not? Any doubt? 17. The shear strength in clay. The shear strength in clay is only due to cohesion here anyhow. Okay, except it is written NCC, because in NCC C is 0 and phi is a non-zero value. NCC clay behaves as a sand. Otherwise, for any other clay, it will be only due to cohesion. Okay, 18th. Nice question. Ka value is 1 minus sine phi, 1 plus sine phi. And Kp value, Kp, passive is asked. By default, I already told you that we have to take active if nothing is mentioned in question for calculation. Why? I have told that in the earlier class of the HPCL mock test. Come on. Come on. Guys, this many of you know that this is written as tan square 45 plus 5 by 2, but option is not available. So, but tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So this I can put cot 90 minus this, and once you put 90 minus this will be cot square 45 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this will be this. Similarly, guys, this will be tan square 45 minus 5 by 2, or cot square, if you put cot 90 minus this, cot square 45 plus 5 by 2. Many students know the tan wala formula, but they don't know the cot wala. Agree? Agree? Okay. Guys, if length is very greater than width, length is more times of 5 times of width, that is a strip foundation. So if columns are in a one row only, that will be a strip footing. That will be a strip footing. Okay. Now, which question? 20. Okay. There is a gradient 1 in 100, ascending gradient increasing, then a descending gradient of 1 in 80. So N1 is 1 by 100 and N2 decreasing means negative slope. Minus 1 by 80, and what they are asking, the deviation angle. What is the deviation angle? So this deviation angle N is equal to N1 minus N2. So this is equal to 1 by 100 minus N2 is this 1 by 80. So what is the LCM? 80 and 100. 200. 2 and 8, 260. 2.5 आएगा तो. So LCM will be 400. So 4 and 5. So 9 by 400. That is A option. Understood? Atulya, not 20. 20 guys. Got it? Okay. Do this. How we design the superelevation when it is asked for design rate or the design speed, not for a single. For a single vehicle, I'll be finding from this formula. Everything is SI units. For a single vehicle, for that particular vehicle, which is traveling at 30 km per hour, for that particular vehicle, find the superelevation. Then for a particular vehicle, this should be fine from this. But guys, in one road, we'll design superelevation only one time. We'll give superelevation only one time. And various vehicles are moving with various speeds. So we not design for one vehicle. We design for the mixed traffic. So mixed traffic, I am writing in SI units. It will be like this, 0.75 V whole square by GR. Otherwise, if I design superelevation for maximum velocity, then superelevation will be more. So might be a vehicle is moving with very small velocity, mv square r bar is not much, it will not topple outside. But due to high inclination of superelevation, might be is not toppling outside because mv square by r is less. But it will topple inside, the reverse effect. Okay, so we design for 0.75 V, and if this value is, if this value E1 comes 0.07, then okay. If E1 goes more than 0.07, then check other factor. Okay, check mu is equal to V square by GR minus E1. Is it 0.05 or not? Is it less than 0.5? Okay. If not, then take the maximum value of your friends, E 0.07, 0.15, and now find new V restricted. Okay, and put a signboard there that you should not move with more than this velocity. So I guess once you apply this, this is coming 0.07, 7% is coming once you apply this here. Okay. Now, expansion joints as per the code are provided when the structure exceeds how much length? Again, a database question. Tell me. It is when it is more than 45 meters, then only we have to provide. You have seen that in various highways, the expansion joints are not there. In some highways, it is there. So that depends on the length. Okay. If whole circle bearing is 210, north, east, south, west, 90, 80, 210. If this angle is 210, so this will be 30. And quadrantal bearing will be S 30 degree. S 30 degree towards west. Okay, same level will be coming in HPCL. Yaar. Same level is coming in HPCL. If the forebearing of line is this, the back bearing of the line will be, forebearing and back bearing difference is 180. So it will be 192 degree, 24 minutes. The magnetic bearing of a line is found to be 35 degree, 45 minutes. Okay, so from magnetic meridian, the angle of the line is 35 degree 45 minutes. If the declination is 3 degree 45 minute east, that means from true meridian, this is 3 degree 45 minute east. So what is the true bearing? The angle from here. True bearing is angle from here. It will be sum of this, 35 and 3 is 38. So 45 and 45 is 90. 38 degree and 90 minutes. 38 degree and 90 minutes is 39 degree 30 minutes. 39 degree 30 minutes. Okay. Come on. Now this is question number 20 and two questions are missed in between. So it should be, okay, let it be 27. The component of strain tensor at a point in the plane strain case can be obtained by measuring the strains in any three direction. Maybe perpendicular, maybe not perpendicular, maybe 60 degree. In any three direction, if you find strains, then we can find everything for that thing. Now aptitude is also coming. So just to take a feel of the exam, because I just put some aptitude questions also. A fair cost is coin is tossed n times. The probability that head doesn't turn up in any event. Okay, head does not turn up any case. All tails are coming. Okay, all tails are coming. So 1 by 2 ki power n. The probability that head does not turn up in any of the tosses. Head does not turn in any of the tosses means all are tail. First tail, second tail, third tail. So it will be 1 by 2 ki power n. The eigenvalues of the matrix, either you do characteristic equation A minus lambda I is equal to 0. A minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, either you see the property that sum of the eigenvalues should be the diagonal elements 5 and multiplication will be the determinant 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So sum should be 5 and they should be, so it should be 0, both are same here. Let it be 10 like this. Sum should be 5 and product should be 0. Okay. Okay. What is the stress of, this is not 12, this is 6 into 6. 6 into 6. So guys, 6 into 6 can be 4 3 into 3s, and 1 into 3 into 3 is 100, corner 100. So here 100, due to this 100, due to this 100. So total it will be 400. Okay. Now pH as per the code IS 456/2000 should not be less than 6. Okay. As per the code, the value should not be less than 6. It should be more than 6. Okay. Acidic is more dangerous than the basic. And it's very good that if you maintain the pH around 6.5 and 7. Okay. The minimum grade of concrete for the mild exposure condition, that is sea coast. The minimum grade of concrete should not be less than M30. Okay. The minimum grade is M30. What is the sum of transmittance plus absorbance plus reflectance? It is 1. Okay. What is transmittance? The transmittance is the transmitted energy with respect to the total energy. Okay. See, this is the object. In remote sensing, we don't touch the object. We incident a light. Okay, some of the part is absorbed. Some of the part is reflected back. Some of the part is transmitted. So what is transmittance? The energy of transmittance ray with respect to the initial energy. What is that absorbance? Energy of this absorbed ray with respect to the incident energy. What is reflectance? Energy of the reflected with respect to the total energy that was incident on the object. That thermal scanners nowadays after COVID. Without touching, we get the temperature. That is a property, or that is an example of remote sensing. Without touching, getting the property. Okay. Now hydrology. Come on. Everyone. Come on. That is the link, guys. Sunday marathon link. Come on. So a storm hydrograph was due to 3 hours of effective rainfall, contains 6 centimeter runoff. So if we divide by 6, then we'll get a unit hydrograph. So this is a 6 centimeter graph, 6 centimeter hydrograph. So when it is divided by 6, then we'll get a unit hydrograph of same duration. Okay, not divided by 3, yaar. It is of 6 centimeter. And unit hydrograph is of 1 centimeter. So it should be divided by 6. Shubham. That is a 6 centimeter hydrograph. We want a unit hydrograph of 1 centimeter. So should be divided by 6. And that divided by 6 will be of same quality. Same quality means that is a 3R. This will also be 3R. Sorry, but as B. Sorry, that is B. Okay, the basic assumption of unit hydrograph are time invariance and linear response. What is time invariance? Guys, this time is not duration. This is not duration. It is saying that it is not depending on time. But 3R unit hydrograph and 4R unit hydrograph are different. It is depending on time. 5R unit hydrograph, 6R unit hydrograph are different. But it is saying it is not depending on time. So here time is not duration, it is season. Not duration, it is season. That a 3R unit hydrograph in summers, winters, autumn will be same. We are assuming that. The 4R unit hydrograph, which will be different from 3R unit hydrograph, will be same in summer, winters and autumn. Okay. Linear response means, what is the linear response? That if I am writing T012 and unit hydrograph of 3R is having a value of 0, 10, 20 and so on, then DRH of 3R only of 2 centimeter, it will be multiplied by 2. This directly 2 can be multiplied because this is a 3R unit hydrograph, this is a direct hydrograph of 3Rs. If they are both of same quality, but it is 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, then 2 can be multiplied. That is linear response. Got it? Everyone. Now what is the velocity of the wave traveling upstream? Velocity of wave with respect to gram upstream is equal to C0 minus V. This is a wide rectangular channel. For rectangular channel, what is C0? I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll derive all this. Tomorrow I'll derive this. Okay, so G into Y. Y is 1 na, 9.81 into 1 minus V 2.13. So 3.13 minus 2.13 is equal to 1. I'll derive this in OCF F3 series. Okay, what is hydraulic depth? Hydraulic depth is A by T. What is hydraulic radius? Hydraulic radius, or also called as hydraulic mean depth. Hydraulic mean depth and hydraulic radius are same. Hydraulic depth is something different, area by top width. Hydraulic mean depth is something different. Hydraulic radius and hydraulic mean depth are same. That is area by wetted perimeter. Hydraulic mean depth is not hydraulic depth. Hydraulic mean depth is hydraulic radius. So area is pi r square by 2 and top width is 2r. So it is pi r by 4. B option. Okay, guys, in the description box of every video of mine, you will be getting a link from where you can download the app for free of cost. Okay, guys, this is the link of Sunday marathon. Please like that session. Okay, Sunday marathon, complete highway engineering marathon will be at 10 a.m. The complete, guys, complete. This will be on YouTube. This will be Sunday and it will be 10 a.m. guys. Complete highway engineering marathon. And guys, this is the OCF free class starting from today. Today I'll be just an introductory lesson, orientation session. This will be on app and complete, guys, the complete series exactly like paid course for free of cost. Okay, this is my Telegram group where you'll get every update. And guys, this is the scholarship test. I told you earlier, na? This is the scholarship test that is on 17th of December at from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can give this test and get up to 90% discount, 80%, 70% depending on your score. So it is a golden chance to enroll in our courses where we are teaching complete syllabus from zero level, which you can watch in live or recorded mode infinite number of times. Okay. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you. Thank you all. Take care. Thank you, guys.